Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying compatibility and securing your data. Check your Mac OS version in System Settings and make a Time Machine or external SSD backup of recent projects. This prevents lost work. Once done, free 1020 GB and plug the Mac into power for an uninterrupted update. Then close resource-heavy apps and connect via stable Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Finally, open the App Store and search Logic Pro X to prepare the update. Don't install until the backup completes. Now start the actual update. Click Update in the App Store and watch download progress. This can vary with content libraries. When the installer prompts, enter your admin password and allow it to run. This installs new cores, plug-in updates, and content migration. Once the installer finishes, the system may request a restart. Permit it. Make sure you do not interrupt file copying or media library migration. Otherwise, sample libraries can become inconsistent and require reinstallation. After the restart, open Logic Pro X and confirm the About dialog reads 10.8. You should then load a representative project and test core instruments plus third-party O plugins to detect compatibility issues. If you see missing libraries or crash reports, quit Logic, reset preferences, and relaunch. If that fails, reinstall the content packs or run the App Store update again. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restore the backup and run the installer on a fresh user account to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.